Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix Facebook selfie video verification when it's not working. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi or data keeps dropping, the verification video won't go through. Next, check if your Facebook app is fully updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook, and if you see an update button, tap it. If it's still not working, try clearing the cache. To do this, press and hold the Facebook app, tap the little info icon, then go to Storage or Data Settings and hit Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, restart your phone and then try the selfie video verification again. And that's it. With a stable connection, the latest update, and a cleared cache, the selfie video verification should work fine. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.